this. First, ito na kay gunting. Well packaged. So far so good. First, let's get the first layer. Yeet. Bubble wrap siya. Nice. Oh boy, there you are. Oh boy. Hell yeah. Whoa! Whoa! Look at that. Wala ko ga-expect nga dili siya, nga gaan siya. Like, pero ko bugat ka siya. Yeah. Totally didn't expect. Okay, let's open it. Oh boy, I can smell it. Okay. You have the pen holder. I think ang nibs na susod. Okay, those are the nibs. Yeah, those are the nibs. I think this is the connector para sa PC from this to the phone. And the pen, the majestic pen. Yes. Oh boy! Oh, look at that. Oh man. Oh, that's nice. May kanang butanganan sa kuandre. Pen, like brush holder, tactile buttons, big buttons here. Wow. Oh, I'm surprised. Hopefully na gloves. Nag-order ba ko gloves? You have the OTG Android. Wait, wala gloves. Bro, I ordered gloves. Bro, wait, glove. Bro, there's no glove. So it turns out that I misplaced the gloves. Yes, you heard me right. It's gonna be awkward, I know, but na-misplace rin ako and nakita na ko man. Nakita rin good sa kaya akong mama na rin nakabutang sa sofa dapit and I don't know how the hell it got there, but thankfully nakita na kayo kung what to nakita. There are chances nga mapalit ko sa Shopee upang ko, but yes, won't happen. Nakita na, I'm happy. This product is a 10 out of 10. Highly recommended. You should try this. This HUION 1060P is worth it. I swear to God. Unless if na-scam ka, but hopefully it won't happen to you because it taught me to be a bunch of times, you know. But it is what it is. Okay, bye.